Top 5 beginner mistakes in home workouts and how to fix them.
Starting a home workout routine is a great step, but beginners often fall into common pitfalls that slow progress or cause frustration. In this video, we'll count down the top 5 mistakes many people make when exercising at home and, most importantly, offer practical fixes to help you get safer, better results from your workouts.
Mistake number 1. Skipping warm-ups.
Many people skip warm-ups to save time, but this increases the risk of injury and reduces workout effectiveness. A good warm-up prepares your muscles and joints for exercise. The solution? Spend 5 to 10 minutes doing light cardio or dynamic stretches before every session. This simple habit can drastically improve both safety and performance.
Mistake number 2. Poor exercise form.
Incorrect form is a leading cause of discomfort and injury during home workouts. Without professional supervision, it's easy to repeat movements incorrectly. To fix this, start with slow, controlled repetitions and use mirrors or video tutorials to check your technique. Quality always beats quantity, especially as a beginner.
Mistake number 3. Overtraining and not resting.
Many newcomers assume more exercise means faster results, but overworking your body can lead to burnout and injuries. Muscles need time to repair and strengthen. Prioritize rest days and listen to your body. Building in recovery days, at least 1 or 2 per week, will help you stay motivated and achieve better long-term gains.
Mistake number 4. Neglecting progression.
Repeating the same routine with the same weights or difficulty level can stall your progress. To avoid plateauing, gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. Add a few reps, increase weights, or try new exercises every week or 2. Progressive overload helps your body grow stronger and adapt over time.
Mistake number 5. Ignoring nutrition and hydration.
Great workouts can be wasted without proper nutrition and hydration. Many beginners overlook the importance of fueling their bodies before and after exercise. Focus on eating balanced meals, staying hydrated, and consuming protein for muscle repair. Small changes in diet and water intake will enhance your energy and recovery.
Conclusion. Start strong, improve safely.
Avoiding these 5 common mistakes will help you get more from your home workouts and reduce your risk of injury. Remember, warm up, check your form, allow recovery days, challenge yourself gradually, and support your fitness with good nutrition and hydration. Make these positive changes, and you'll see progress faster and more safely.